Michael Porter's Five Forces framework stands as a beacon, illuminating the intricacies of competitive landscapes within industries. Developed by the esteemed economist and Harvard Business School professor Michael E. Porter, this framework has become a cornerstone for evaluating competitive forces that shape industry attractiveness and profitability. Let's delve into each force and understand its significance in strategic decision-making. 1. Threat of new entrants. The first force, the threat of new entrants, scrutinize the barriers faced by potential newcomers venturing into an industry. These barriers can range from high capital requirements and economies of scale enjoyed by incumbents to legal and regulatory hurdles. Industries with formidable barriers deter new players, maintaining a higher level of profitability for existing firms. 2. Bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers wield significant influence in certain industries, especially when they hold unique resources or enjoy high market concentration. The bargaining power of suppliers hinges on their ability to dictate terms such as prices, quality standards, and delivery schedules. Industries heavily reliant on specific inputs or with limited supplier alternatives face heightened supplier bargaining power. 3. Bargaining power of buyers. On the flip side, buyers exert pressure on firms through their bargaining power. Factors such as buyer concentration, the availability of substitute products, and the importance of purchases to buyers determine their ability to negotiate favorable terms. Industries with numerous buyers or where switching costs are low often experience heightened buyer bargaining power. 4. Threat of substitute products or services. The fourth force revolves around the threat posed by substitute products or services that can lure customers away from existing offerings. The availability of close substitutes, coupled with factors like price-performance ratios and customer loyalty, shapes the intensity of this threat. Industries facing a plethora of readily available substitutes must constantly innovate and differentiate to retain market share. 5. Intensity of competitive rivalry. Lastly, the intensity of competitive rivalry within an industry reflects the fierce battles for market share, customers, and resources among existing players. Factors such as industry growth rates, product differentiation, and exit barriers contribute to the competitive intensity. Highly competitive industries witness price wars, aggressive marketing strategies, and constant innovation as firms vie for supremacy. By meticulously analyzing these five forces, businesses gain profound insights into their industry's competitive dynamics. Armed with this knowledge, firms can devise robust strategies to capitalize on opportunities, mitigate threats, and fortify their competitive position in the ever-evolving business landscape. Porter's Five Forces framework remains an invaluable tool for strategic foresight and informed decision-making, guiding organizations towards sustainable growth and success.